Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the BankNifty McClellan Oscillator.
But before we do, if you have not watched my first video and the videos after that, you need to go do that right now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team, and as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down in the description below. You can also find a link to our Discord server, so that way we can all discuss testing indicators and building our trading system. And lastly, you can find a link below to TradingView. If you sign up for a paid account, you will save a little bit of money using the link below.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the BankNifty McClellan Oscillator. But before we do, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So, to date, we have tested 120 indicators. And out of those 120 indicators, 48 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 48 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Alright, as I said, today's indicator is the BankNifty McClellan Oscillator. Alright, so it's a relatively simple setup of an indicator. You can see it here down on the bottom in histogram form. It is a TradingView created, TradingView member created indicator, and so you can find a link to it down below in the description. Now, in the last couple of videos, I have made mention of a new channel that I have created on our Discord server. Discord is a completely free platform that allows us to discuss things in real time. We have a really good group of people in there who are constantly having discussions about indicators, trading philosophy, trading strategies, and so on. One of the latest additions to the Discord server is a channel specifically for indicator creation. We have a couple of members there on the Discord server who have experience with coding indicators, and I created the indicator creation channel specifically for the purpose of allowing them and other people who are interested in coding and creating indicators to have an area to discuss things around the creation of indicators. And so one of the biggest problems that I've run into so far with the channel is that there are a lot of people who use the MT platforms, MT4, MT5, and so on. And so not a whole lot, not everybody uses TradingView. Now, TradingView is a wonderful platform, and I highly recommend that if you don't use it, sign up, get an account. You can get a free account. There's a basic, I think anyways, it's been a long time since I first signed up, but whenever I first signed up, there was a free account where it didn't charge you anything. And so you could basically use TradingView to do your trade analysis, and then if you trade off of MT4 or the MT platform, then you could jump over to that platform and actually execute your trades and so on. And so again, TradingView is super awesome, very user friendly, lots and lots of features. And so I highly recommend you create a TradingView account. Now, if you're dead set against using TradingView and you want to use the MT platform instead, or for whatever reason you don't have access to TradingView, then that is where the creation of indicators come in. And so, as far as I know, the couple of people in the Discord server, they only have experience with coding in PineScript, which is the language for TradingView. But what I have done is I have put a couple links pinned to that channel where you can go through a list of freelancers who will code out indicators for the MT platform. And so you can take the information that we use here from the indicators that we are using here on TradingView, and you can pass that on to the freelancers, and they can use that information to code out an MT indicator based off of the indicator that we're using here on TradingView. So that way, if you are a 100% MT user, then you can use the same indicators that we use here on TradingView, but use them on the MT platform. So again, I hope this really helps, because I know that's been one of the biggest struggles that I've heard from the viewers out there, is that not all of you use TradingView, and some of you said the majority of people use the MT platforms instead. And so that will allow you to still follow along, and if there are indicators that you really like here on TradingView, you can have them coded for the MT platform. So now back to today's indicator is the BankNifty McClellan Oscillator. Again, you can see it down here in histogram form. It's basically a zero line cross, and so what I'm going to do is make a few changes here. So I am going to change, let's see, going to change that over from a bar to a line, and then I am going to throw on a zero line here. There we go. And so that'll make it just a little bit easier to follow along. And so the concept is pretty easy. When the line, the BankNifty oscillator, when it goes above the zero, that is a signal to go long. When it goes below the zero, that is a signal to go short. And that is how we will be putting it to the test today. So let's get on with it here and see what we can get out of this thing. So there is the first signal right there, and unfortunately it was not a good signal. It turned around and went short on us almost immediately here, and then turned around and went long without going down at all. So not that wonderful. Let's see the long here. Let's see if we can. So this one right here. Yeah, so that one would have gotten us to take profit. So at least one of them was a decent signal there. All right. Moving along here, we have this one. It threw a short signal right there, but unfortunately turned around immediately, giving us a long signal. Let's see. So it was this one. It gave us the long signal on. Let's play it forward here a little bit more. Let's see what it does. So this one, so unfortunately that one did not work out either. Came down here, giving us a short, and then gave us a long. We're on the long right now. That didn't work. Let's double check here. So actually that one may have gotten us there. Let's see. Yep, so that one would have worked. Then it threw the short signal here, and that one was able to get to take profit also. Let's see, so then it threw a long signal here. That one was pretty decent, not horrible. Then a short signal there. Let's play this one out, getting us another winning trade right there as well. Alright, moving along here. Through a long signal here. Looks like that one was able to get us to take profit. Let's see. But then it threw a short signal here, which was stopped out almost immediately by a long there, which was stopped out almost immediately by a short right there. Let's play this out a little bit more. And that one would have been a losing trade, so no good on that one either. Does appear as though this one is going to be an over trader. Let's see here. So it throws a long signal right there, then a short right here. Nope, hold on. Let's back up. So long signal there, short right here, right back into a long right there, right back into a short. Alright, so it threw the long signal right here, then right into a short right here, which is still playing out, and ended up being a good signal right there. Then it gave us a long here, and so that would have been a good signal also. Yeah, this one's definitely going to be an over trader. Let's see, so short here, stopped out almost immediately going long here, then stopped out almost immediately going short there, then along here, which is still playing out. Alright, so it dropped out. Let's see. That would have gotten us to take profit on that one before it dropped out really quickly. And now it's going just completely in the opposite direction. Let's see, so stopped out there and still is going in the complete opposite direction. Finally picked up a long there, but it turned around and almost immediately dropped out, stopping us out. Then we get a short here. Let's see that one. That one didn't work out. And let's see. Then along here, then a short there, which is still playing out. And finally, a reasonable trade. All right. Plugging along here. Oh, kind of glitched out there for a minute. Wasn't giving us any signal. All right, so there it gives us a long right there. Let's see, so long here. Let's see if it got. It did not. So that didn't work. Then a short here, which that one would have worked. And we're still in short territory at the moment. Let's see what it does. Playing along here. Oh, broke up there for a second. Right there. Then it dropped out right here. Then jumped up above there. Let's see, up and then dropped out here on this one. Play it out a little bit, see what it does. Yep, that one was able to finally get us to take profit, and then it went long right there, so that might be problematic. Let's see. So short signal there, yep, that would have worked. Then it called along right here, right before a massive red candle, and now it's hovering up above. There it goes. It broke down for a moment there. Let's see. Don't know if that stopped us out. Nope, didn't quite stop us out, but that was a short, and then it give us a long signal almost immediately right there. Let's see what it does. Nope, no good. So that would have been a losing trade also. Now it's crept its way down to a short, starting right, let's see, here, right there. Alright, we're close to the end of the year now. There's a long signal. That would have gotten us to take profit. So that would have worked. Then a short right there, which was stopped out almost immediately. So there, and let's play that out a little bit just to see what it does. Yep. All right, so there we have it. Yes, as I suspected, an over trader. Man, lots and lots of signals going on with this one. So let's count them out and see what we got here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, and 41. So 41 trades altogether, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. And so, unfortunately, that is not going to meet the 60% criteria. That is quite significantly low, and yeah, a lot of over trading taking place, a lot of really sporadic signals when there doesn't need to be, and just all around took a pretty big hammering on this indicator. So yeah, definitely not the greatest indicator, not the worst indicator, but nonetheless, it is going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.
If you have not already, like this video, comment below, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. As part of the team, it's important that you are seeing the new videos as they come out so you know what it is that we are discussing and what indicators we are testing, have tested, and have not tested. Also, like usual, there is a link below in the description to the Discord server. You can join us on Discord so that way we can further discuss the indicators and have discussions as we move forward building our trading system. And lastly, like usual, there is a link below to TradingView. If you like what you see whenever I use TradingView and you are interested in signing up for TradingView, if you use the link below and sign up for a paid account, you will save a little bit of money. So, all right, everybody, I will see you on the